Copyright disclaimer. Under Title 17 U.S.C. Section 107, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips a balance in favor of fair use. Okay, guys, I'm going to read this one. It's all related to what I've been focusing on today. New Jersey Sexual Abuse Statute of Limitations extended for minors and adults. OPLN law. Sexual abuse victims will now have considerably more time and opportunity to file suit and pursue their rights. A statute of limitations sets legal timelines within which a person can bring legal action against a defendant. Historically, New Jersey's statute of limitations for sexual abuse claims was 2 years, and for those who were victims as children, a claim or lawsuit was required to be filed before the victim reached the age of 21. Yet rarely are child or adult victims psychologically prepared to make a public claim within such a short time period. Recently, widespread media coverage of ongoing sexual abuse involving the clergy, the Boy Scouts, and other large institutions has spurred legislators to revoke New Jersey's old sexual abuse statute of limitations of 2 years or the age of 21 and replace it with a new one. With an eye toward providing a new avenue for victims of childhood sexual abuse to seek justice, Governor Murphy has signed legislation S-477 that goes into effect on December 1st, 2019, which will considerably expand the time period available for both child and adult victims to pursue legal ramifications for sexual abuse. Okay, rapists, you guys hear that? You better keep your disgusting willies in your pants. Most notably, victims of child sexual abuse can now sue their abusers up until they turn 55, or within 7 years of their realization that the abuse caused them harm. Victims previously barred from suing their abusers and the institutions that protected them due to the old statute of limitations will have 2 years to file lawsuits seeking damages. Those who were sexually assaulted as adults can also file lawsuits. Also, too, I wonder what kind of loophole these disgusting creep, pervert, sickos are going to find. If you are a victim of sexual abuse that occurred when you were either a child or an adult, you may now be able to file a claim even if you were previously barred by the old statute of limitations. If you are a victim of child or adult sexual abuse, as of December 1st, 2019, you are permitted to file a claim up until you turn age 55 or within 7 years of your realization that the abuse caused harm or within 2 years of December 1st, 2019. If you are over age 55 and realized harm from the abuse more than 7 years ago, you may still file a claim within 2 years of December 1st, 2019. Notably, this legislation also abolishes immunity typically afforded to nonprofit corporations. That's interesting. Societies or associations. I wonder if Scientology would be considered. Organized exclusively for religious, charitable, or educational purposes in their employees. Scientology, they're coming for you. You better run. Contact us. The attorneys at O'Connor, Parsons, Lane, and Noble proudly represent both child and adult victims of sexual abuse against any culpable institutions covered by this new legislation. Contact us today if you think you may have a claim. So that's it for now, you guys. I'll put the description in I'll put the link in the description box. Peace. Have a good day or a good night wherever you are.